Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? It is Aviation Air Program bringing you another video for you guys today. So I have a really interesting point to share out with you guys is that Airbus welcomes A220 series to the family. So it was really beautiful, and it was formerly built as a Bombardier C300. It's really beautiful, the aircraft. I cannot say anything bad about it. Well, I love it. It's looking beautiful, absolutely. Well, it's really great. So definitely, I just want to say it's really great aircraft. So it will be marketed as the Airbus A220-100 and Airbus A220-300. And I cannot believe it. It's really nice. So definitely, the Airbus Group went to the partnership with Bombardier Aerospace back in October of 2017. Last year, it took 51% share in the project and intends to expand production to 6,000 units over 20 years with assembly in Quebec City in Canada and Mobile, Alabama. Now the regulatory approval has been secured. The airliners can be marketed under the Airbus name. It's really great. I love the Airbus A220. So if any airlines wanted to make share the Airbus A220 family, so it's really interesting. I love the plane. So nice livery though. It's really looking beautiful. And by the way, guys, as you know, this intro and outro. The video I put, it is the final video with this intro and outro that I put on my video. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below and rate and subscribe for more content you want to see next. So yeah, this is Aviation Air Program signing out. So I'll reach out to you guys once again in my next video. So thank you guys so much, and yeah, goodbye.